Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday video based on the 1 hour chart and the 15-minute chart to see what happened for Bitcoin today and what it might happen in the next few hours. So as we can see, we are still looking at our impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished in an expanding diagonal, very rare scenario, but it is working, taking the high as an impulse, and after this looking at a very choppy correction. And that means, of course, after this correction we are looking for higher prices, continuation of the trend. Now your correction here is a two possible scenarios. The first one is a W, X for a triangle, and of course a zigzag, of course, where you would like to finish here as a W, where you have finished your wave 2 and you are looking for higher prices. Now the good thing here is that we have already a sign of 5 waves up in a leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, creating a wave 1, which is very nice, and then of course looking for a wave 2 after the 0.618 fib time taken, of course, from this wave 1. And we see, of course, that it has a perfectly topped bottom, for the 0.618, as well as a fib level here at 99,800, or before even at 100k, and of course after the 0.618. So perfect fib time, perfect fib level. I would suggest, of course, to move for higher. Now the good signal that we can get for, of course, one like 80% bullish scenario is to take the 104. Once we take the 104s, meaning we have reached the top, we have invalidated this bearish scenario where you have still possible a wave 4 ranging probably as a triangle maybe, and then moving for a wave 5 still to finish an A, B and a C, which is your second scenario as a wave 2. And that means rather than having a W, X and a Y finished here, you might have an A, B and a C finished over there with a wave C, and of course finishing wave C was 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, of course, without invalidation of this scenario. Yeah, so basically better, of course, still to take the 104. Now we still see some strengths, right? We still see some move toward the upside. Now, if another or second leading diagonal appear here, or probably a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then continuation toward the upside, that would be a very, very nice signal. If we take a look on the KGT, of course, we are still waiting for this buy signal to move to the side. And we already have, of course, some CVD lines here moving in divergence, of course, with the price action, as you can see. If we take the weakest signals here, we can see, of course, this bullish signal on the 100, probably, on the 100, that we have a signal with a divergence and moving for higher prices. However, preferably if we get, of course, a little bit stronger signal here, so maybe this will require, of course, lower prices a little bit for a wave 2 here as a 1, 2, this will create a bullish signal. Very nice divergence, of course, and then booming toward the upside and probably bringing this buy signal until here to move for higher prices for a wave 3. So yeah, basically the things are still the same. On the 15-minute chart, we can see, of course, that this might be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, an impulse toward the upside, where it can be, of course, another 1, 2 here, and probably 3, 4, 5, or another also 1, 2. So it's gonna be like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and 4, 5. And that because we are moving for a very massive bullish scenario, which is around the 130k taken from this top of this wave 1 here. And of course the bottom of your wave 2, it depends where we bottom, of course, depending on this scenario. And of course, yeah, giving us around the 130k as a wave 3, 4 and a 5 continuation for higher prices. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching and thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.